I hope all of you are learning well from my Excel's tutorials. Today, I'll discuss with you about making an extensive student mark sheet in Excel requires a number of calculations and features. The following is a detailed process for using Excel to determine the following values for student mark sheets: total, average, grade, pass, fail, rank, and status. First, add input student names and their respective subject marks, e.g., math, science, English, into Excel columns. Let's see how to find total marks. To total the marks, use the sum function in a separate total column. So write equals to sum, open bracket, and then select first subject to last subject and close the bracket and press enter. And here's the total mark of the 3 subjects. Now next, I would like to get the average marks of the students. So simply equals to average, and select subject math to English, and then close the bracket and press enter, and the average is simply just dragged down. To find grade, implement your school's grading system using conditional formatting or IF statements. Let's see, using if formula and then set condition. If average is greater than or equal to 80, then the grade will be A grade. Similarly, follow as shown in this video. Now, to find pass or fail, define a minimum passing score and use conditional formatting to highlight cells with scores below that threshold. Alternatively, use an IF statement like as shown in this video. Use the rank function to assign ranks to students based on their total marks or average scores. Follow as shown in this video. Adjust the order parameter, ascending or descending, as needed. Create a status column that combines other elements like grade, pass, fail, or additional achievements like improvement required based on specific criteria. Use conditional formatting or formulas to automate status assignment. Great, thanks for staying with us.